What if you could make $100 per day online even if you have zero skills, no experience, and no budget? For most people, that sounds unrealistic. It sounds like one of those internet promises that only work for influencers or tech experts. But thanks to AI, this is now genuinely possible for normal people. Not overnight, not magically, but through simple systems that remove the skill barrier almost completely. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step, beginner-friendly guide to making $100 per day using AI, including real tools, real workflows, and real strategies that can be set up with little to no cost. No advanced knowledge, no coding, no prior online business experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start, which AI tools to use, and how people are already turning these systems into consistent daily income, even if you're starting from scratch. Step 1. Choose your AI side hustle. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is trying to do too much at once. You don't need 10 income streams. You need one system that actually works. There are multiple beginner-friendly ways to make money using AI. For this guide, we'll focus on proven options like faceless YouTube channels, AI freelance writing, AI digital products, AI social media content creation, affiliate marketing using AI. Each of these systems removes the traditional barriers of skill, experience, and creativity. AI handles the heavy work, writing, designing, editing, and optimizing, while you manage the process. Consistency matters more than talent here. Step 2. Faceless YouTube channels. Why YouTube? Because YouTube pays creators long after the work is done. A single video can earn for months or even years. High CPM niches can pay $5 to $30 per 1,000 views. Content is evergreen, meaning views compound over time. And with AI, production can be nearly hands-free. Tools you'll need: idea generation and scripts, ChatGPT free/Claude free, voiceovers, 11 Labs, free/PlayH, T-free video creation, Pika Labs, free/CapCut, AI free thumbnails, Canva, free/Leonardo, AI free how to make $100 per day. Choose a proven niche like AI tools, productivity, finance, or tech. Use AI to generate weeks of content ideas in one session. Turn scripts into videos automatically. Upload consistently and add affiliate links. Monetize with ads once eligible. Earnings potential. Even small channels with steady traffic can reach $50 to $150 per day as content stacks. Step 3. AI freelance writing. You don't need to be a writer anymore. AI does the writing. You handle delivery. Tools you'll need: writing and editing, Chat, GPT free/Claude free/Grammarly free clients, Fiverr, Upwork, or social platforms. How to make $100 per day. Offer simple services like articles, captions, summaries, or emails. Use AI to complete work in minutes. Deliver polished results. Scale by handling multiple small orders. Earnings potential. Just a few small jobs per day can comfortably reach $100. Step 4. AI. Digital products. Digital products are powerful because they sell repeatedly. Tools you'll need: content creation, ChatGPT free/Claude free design, Canva free/Recraft free selling, Gumroad free/Etsy free listings. How to make $100 per day. Create templates, guides, or planners. Design covers automatically. Upload once and let sales compound. Promote using AI-generated content. Step 5. AI social media content creation. AI allows you to produce more content than humans ever could manually. Tools you'll need: ideas and captions, ChatGPT, free graphics, Canva, free/Leonardo, AI free video editing, CapCut, AI free/Pika Labs, free scheduling, Buffer, free/Later free, how to make $100 per day. Post consistently, grow niche pages, monetize through affiliates or shoutouts. Step 6. AI affiliate marketing. AI makes affiliate marketing scalable. Tools you'll need: content creation, ChatGPT free/Claude free, visuals, Canva free/Leonardo, AI free platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. How to make $100 per day. Promote high converting offers. Post AI generated content daily. Let traffic convert automatically. Step 7. Layer AI systems for maximum income. The real advantage comes from stacking systems together. YouTube plus digital products, social media plus affiliate marketing, freelancing plus automation. This creates a self-feeding income ecosystem that grows over time. Step 8. Tips for beginner success. Start with one system. Use free tools efficiently. Stay consistent. Choose proven niches. Reinvest profits. Step 9. Reality check. AI removes skill barriers, not effort. Setup takes time. Monitoring is required. But once running, these systems can generate income daily. AI has made $100 per day achievable for anyone willing to stay consistent. If you want more faceless videos showing real AI income systems, subscribe and turn on notifications.